Good morning, all. I am Shruti Vora, student of physiotherapy from Marwadi University. Today, I will explain the surgery of pulmonary tuberculosis. Introduction. Surgery play an important role in selected cases of pulmonary TB, especially when there are complications, drug resistance disease, or failure of medical management. With the advent of antitubercle chemotherapy, the role of surgery has reduced, but still some situations are there where surgery is needed. Indications for the surgery: multi-drug resistant tuberculosis not responding to chemotherapy, persistent sputum positivity, massive or recurrent hemoptysis, lung with repeated infection, secondary bronchiectasis secondary to TB, tuberculous emphysema, bronchopleural fistula, persistent cavity lesion. These are the some indications for the pulmonary tuberculosis surgery. Here it is several types of surgical procedure. First one is the collapse therapy. Older procedure aimed at collapsing the diseased lung to allow healing. By artificial pneumothorax, thoracoplasty, plumb bag, pneumoperitoneum. These procedures are now rarely used because of effective chemotherapies are there. Second type is resectional surgery, most common used in modern surgery procedure with segmentectomy, lobectomy, bilectomy, pneumonectomy. They are performed to remove localized diseased lung tissue. Lobectomy is most commonly used. Third one is surgery for complications. Decortication for emphysema, closure of bronchopleural fistula, drainage procedure, canverostomy, thoracostomy. These are the surgery complications. Preoperative assessment: detailed chest X-ray, CT scan, sputum examination, PFT, bronchoscopy, nutritional evaluation. These are the some pre-operative assessment. Here it is post-operative complications which are seen after the surgery, like hemorrhage, respiratory failure, bronchopleural fistula, emphysema, persistent air leakage, wound infection, etc. Here it is the advantages of surgery, like surgery removes the localized disease focus, reduces the bacterial load, prevent recurrent hemoptysis, prevent infection, improve outcome. These are the references for this topic. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.